Okay guys, we're going to be installing a new light fixture for this bathroom that we're remodeling. It's in the very early stages. The painters just got done last week. So I'm just going to run you step by step on how to install a light fixture. Here we go. Alright, first things first is we're going to check to see if there's any power running through here. The switch is off. Okay, so it's dead. And then I see they got some sketchy ass splice going on, which I don't know if that's soldered or not. Let's fix that. Yeah, so they have, I see. So they had an old crimp, and then they just taped that. I don't like that. So we're going to change it. Okay, now we're going to mount our bracket. Okay, so after much frustration, I found a screw that'll work in this spot. I ended up going with some self-tappers. Drywall screw wouldn't work. The electrical screws that it came with wouldn't work. The machine screws, I should say, they didn't work. But that will be okay. So next we're gonna install our safety wire. Finger down. Make these all nice and pretty. Grab your yellow or your orange wire nuts. I like using my own wire nuts here. And with that stranded wire, you don't want to press too hard because you'll squish the stranded wire and it won't make a good connection. You almost want to let it feed itself in there. At least that's what I've experienced. Okay, give them a little tug, make sure they're not going to fall out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. Okay, now that the fixture's installed, I'm going to hold off on putting the lamps on the shades, putting the shades on. The reason being, we have to put a mirror in here, and the mirror might not clear the shades. So it'll be easier to install the mirror if I don't put the shades on yet. I'm going to insert a few light bulbs just to keep, get some light in here. I got a spotlight I'm running right now. One thing I want to mention is sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So the old electrical box in there wasn't accepting the new screws I got with the packaging. So the drywall screw wasn't working. I ended up using a self-tapper, which worked great. It held, it was nice and tight. So sometimes you just got to make it work.